have to stay afloat. It's noisy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I love behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I love behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my behind me. Behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I love behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see.
These are all the shirts so far that we've done. So this means that these shirts are already, oh my god, my thumb, don't look at it. This means that these shirts are ready to put the tender touch on. So I'm finishing this shirt up right now. And then I have about like 5 shirts to do.
Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you go, I won't forget you. You're all I know and what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know and what When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. And the fear leaves me blind. You always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's nicer be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live myself.
lazo de en la boca. Este sequillo para poder robarse con mi cuello. ¡Ay, sí, qué bueno! Tanto Dios que le arrancó el... ¡Ay, qué bien! El lazo, porque ya lo tenía casi, ya lo tenía largo. ¡Ay, qué bien! Okay, so I wanted to just end the video here and tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I've been seeing new subscribers every day and I've been getting really good feedback on my videos, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who comments down below saying that you love the videos. Today was more of like a chillaxed video. I wanted to show you guys how I do pearl applique, so how I put pearls on my embroidery appliques. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like down below and comment any video ideas that you would like to see. I'm thinking of doing a video on embroidery supplies, like what supplies I use, what brand I use of supplies, like maybe like a haul type. If you guys would like to see a video like that, make sure to let me know. I don't want to shoot a video that maybe you guys will find boring. I know that I like watching haul videos, like makeup haul videos, embroidery haul videos, like those kinds of videos. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.